Your skin tells a story, and it changes and evolves. And everybody needs to be treated as an individual based on that story that the skin is telling us. At Boss MD, we're here to provide the highest quality care in terms of plastic surgery and reconstructive surgery, and embrace and explore new innovations as they come out in the field.
I love helping patients. I feel that it provides them more confidence, and I always say if you look good, you feel good, and you do good.
I realize that there's a lot of different technologies to accomplish different goals, and I embraced combining technologies in order to get the best results. I coined the term GenLift to describe the customizable approach using 5 different technologies, 5 different procedural techniques that we can use just one or we can use all 5 for both face lifting, neck lifting, body lifting to maximize results and minimize recuperation.
GenLift is helping people in their confidence, their face, their body, whatever it may be. It'll help to tighten and just refine and really refresh everyone. It's very safe, affordable, and done right here in our office, so patients are very comfortable.
The patients are very happy because of the fact that they don't need general anesthesia. The recuperation is very quick. Their return to work and normal activities is very quick. And they're very happy and pleased with the results. And by using the other technologies, we see continued tightening over time because of the heat-based technologies that we use.
Patients are feeling way more confident afterward. I love just seeing their faces and their response of how it's changed their life after they've had this procedure.
I'm very blessed to have a great staff. They're always available for our patients, either by phone or email, as am I. So we're here to support the patients and also to educate the patients so that they understand what we're trying to accomplish and we understand what their goals are so that we can accomplish it.
I love what I do. Everyone here is so friendly. It gets me excited to see patients building that relationship and really seeing their confidence come out after they have GenLift.
It's extremely rewarding to see patients that have in some ways changed their life for the better, given them more confidence. They're looking rejuvenated, they're looking refreshed, and they're looking energetic. And when people come back to me after 5, 7, 10 years after the procedure, and I still see they're looking better than they did before, that's really rewarding.
I usually leave the house without doing my hair or putting on makeup, but I felt a little more confident today. Guess why?
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Boss and I'm here to introduce you to the GenLift Neck. This is what I call a procedure that I do here in the office under local anesthesia that has arisen from my patented facelift. It heats multiple layers of skin, multiple layers of the fat. It tightens the tissues with 4 different modalities as well as do liposuction to recontour the jawline. It's done under local anesthesia with rapid recuperation.
So this is week 2. So far I am thrilled with the GenLift and the fact that I don't have to contour around here.
Well, welcome back, Judy. It's now 6 months since the GenLift to your lower face and neck. You've been a great proponent of the GenLift and you've done some really great videos. Tell us how it's been since your last video.
I love it because I don't have to worry in pictures. I don't have to do any angles. I feel very comfortable. It's been a game changer. So I literally walk up to people and say, you don't have to worry about contour, you don't have to worry about anything. I mean, it's so different even getting up in the morning and your whole routine. It's just a new level of confidence.
What kind of feedback or comments have you gotten from friends or relatives or people that have known you for a long time?
Oh my God. And did you lose weight was a big one. And it instantly just changes the way you look. When I take out the Instagram picture and show the before and after, people are like, that's not really you. So it's been a big thing. No regrets. I was always self-conscious of it, and people would say to me, but I didn't think it was that bad. But it really was. And I tell people that you want to kind of prevent the ghost of what's yet to come, because once it gets really bad, you can't fix it. So that was really my big thing, that I feel like it was preemptive in a sense.
What we've experienced and patients have experienced with this technology of the deep heating and all the things to make the skin tight, we see that people oftentimes will continue to get tighter and better contouring for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, or even longer. Are you noticing still getting more definition?
Yeah. It's crazy because my neck actually looks better than it did when I was younger. And now I'm going to sound really terrible, but I look at people that are a lot younger and I'm like, my neck looks better. Like, I'm scared for everybody's neck now. I know I sound like really terrible and vain, but everybody needs to get a neck. I'm sounding so bad, but it's just it's just your jawline and your neck are so important, and so many people will spend money on Kybella, and I'm seeing a lot of people. I don't know if I'm saying it right. The Evoke and all these things, you have to pay a lot of money and go for several procedures in downtime. So in the end result, just to do what I got done is cost effective, and the downtime is nothing when you think about it.
Really, that's true. And what's exciting to me about the technology is that I've never heard or experienced any rejuvenation procedure that seems to keep getting better and better for many, many months after the procedure is done. And this is very exciting technology. And we have people now 3-4 year follow-up that look just as good as they did when they maximized out with their tightening and their healing. So
yeah, I am seeing it improve.
oh, great.
So sometimes I feel like, wow, is it really getting better? And it is.
Well, thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate your support and your participation.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, hi, this is Sarah. She's 1 week post GenLift neck and lower face. But she has a little bit of a story to tell us with regard to her journey to get to the GenLift. Sarah?
Hi, I've had Kybella, I've had lower threads, and I have had jawline injectables placed here. And I feel like it still wasn't what I was looking for. I don't want to say it made it worse, but it definitely didn't fix the problem I was having, and I wanted that defined jawline. And so luckily I found Dr. Boss and had this procedure done.
Tell us a little bit about the procedure and what the experience was like for you. We did it here in the office, just with a few injections of local anesthesia. But kind of explain to everybody what it was like.
Okay, super comfortable. Everyone here was great. The staff told me exactly what I needed to do, kept in contact with regards to emailing and calling. The surgery itself, I felt, was pretty short. It was only an hour and a half. I could not feel anything, very painless. I feel like this was less painful during the procedure than doing the threads and the Kybella injections, because I was numb for the procedure. It's only been a week and I still have my swelling, but no bad discomfort, not a lot of pain, and so happy with the results so far.
Yeah, we can see an immediate improvement here to the angle from your jawline down your neck, which is what you're really looking for. The jowl's a little bit swollen, but they're smoothing out and tightening as the swelling goes down. And from all the heat we utilize in the procedure, it's going to get tighter and tighter. And it's amazing results just in 1 week.
Yes, and I do want to say, with the money I spent with threading, Kybella injections, jawline injections, I feel like you get more of an enhancement, and I feel like it was less money just doing this to begin with than to go through all that and have all those separate appointments where this was like a one and done, and I feel like it came out great.
Well, thank you, Sarah.
Yes.
Personally, you made my day, because when our patients come back and they're happy and they achieve the results they're looking for, it's what I went into medicine for. So thank you so much for sharing.
Yes.
So Amy, you just had the GenLift lower face and neck about 5 weeks ago. In the past, about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, you had GenLift body to your arms,
Yeah.
which with minimal incisions, it lifted and tightened the arms. And you're very happy with that. But tell us about your experience with your face and neck and what it was like.
Yeah. So I came in. I had just local anesthesia, and Dr. Boss and everyone kept me informed every step of the way, so I was completely comfortable. And afterwards, I had a head wrap for 3 days, and then I also had my neck bands dealt with, so I had a neck wrap for 10 days, and I could continue to do everything. I was not uncomfortable at all. And now I just can't even believe 5 weeks out, I feel like I look so much younger. My jawline is so much more defined. My face looks smaller and younger from it. And initially I thought, oh, my neck will look better, but my whole appearance has lifted from it.
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent. And are you seeing continued tightening and changes over time?
Yes, literally, every day I look in the mirror, I feel like, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. So over the course of this 5 weeks, it's gotten so much better, and I can only imagine it's going to continue.
And that's one of the exciting things about this technology and how I've employed the different heating elements, is that heat will continue to tighten and make more collagen for many months in the future, as
Awesome.
opposed to not using it where the swelling goes away and you're done and
Right.
the aging process starts again.
Right.
As you're experiencing, we're getting tighter here, we're getting tighter
Yes,
here. It's actually even
absolutely.
to some ways, it looks like it's lifting your cheeks up. even.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. I see an overall, improvement from the work done down here. I see improvement here.
Great.
Yeah.